If you're looking for a floor mop that makes cleaning effortless, effective, and eco-friendly, the RinseWise Spin Mop and Bucket system is your ideal solution. Designed to tackle the challenges of everyday cleaning, this system is perfect for homes with pets, children, or anyone who wants a healthier, fresher environment. With its innovative features and easy-to-use design, the RinseWise Spin Mop is sure to become a game-changer in your cleaning routine. Why choose the RinseWise Spin Mop and Bucket system? Whether you're tackling pet messes, dust, or dirt, the RinseWise Spin Mop offers a host of features that set it apart from traditional mops. Let's break down what makes this mop system a top choice for your cleaning needs. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the RinseWise Spin Mop system is its innovative water separation design. Unlike traditional mops, which can spread dirty water and unpleasant odors, the RinseWise mop ensures that clean water and dirty water are kept separate throughout the cleaning process. No more lingering odors. This unique system ensures that you're always using clean water to mop your floors. Traditional mops often reintroduce dirt and bacteria back onto your floors, but the RinseWise system prevents this, leaving your floors cleaner and fresher. Pet-friendly design. For households with pets, this feature is especially important. The RinseWise Spin Mop eliminates the risk of spreading unpleasant pet odors or bacteria, making it a safer and cleaner option for homes with dogs and other animals. One of the biggest advantages of the RinseWise Spin Mop system is the 6 replacement mop heads included in the package. This provides tremendous value, as you won't need to buy replacements for quite some time. Save money on mop heads. With 6 extra mop heads, you can extend the lifespan of your mop and have a clean, fresh mop head ready to go whenever you need it. No more running to the store or ordering replacements online. This mop has you covered for the long haul. Durable and reusable. These microfiber mop heads are not only durable but also reusable. You can wash them multiple times, making them an eco-friendly option that reduces waste compared to disposable mop pads. Cleaning your floors should never have to involve back strain or awkward bending. The RinseWise Spin Mop is equipped with a 61-inch telescoping handle, allowing you to adjust the length to your preferred height for maximum comfort and ease. Effortless reach. Whether you're cleaning under furniture, in corners, or along baseboards, the 61-inch handle ensures you can reach those hard-to-access spots without straining your back or knees. Comfortable use for all heights. This feature is especially useful for tall individuals or those who have difficulty bending over, as the adjustable handle provides a customized fit for any user. One of the most appreciated features of the RinseWise Spin Mop is its hands-free wringing mechanism. This eliminates the need to manually twist or squeeze the mop head, making the mopping process easier and more efficient. No more messy hands. With the hands-free wringing feature, all you need to do is activate the mechanism, and the mop head will spin to remove excess water. This keeps your hands clean and dry, making the cleaning process less messy. Quick and effective wringing. The efficient wringing mechanism ensures that the mop head is not too wet, preventing puddles and streaks on your floors. This results in a faster drying time and better overall cleaning. The RinseWise Spin Mop and Bucket system is designed to tackle a wide variety of floor types, including hardwood, tile, laminate, and more. This makes it perfect for households that have different surfaces throughout. Perfect for multiple floors. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, tile floors, marble, or ceramic tiles, the RinseWise Spin Mop will deliver excellent results. Its microfiber mop head is highly absorbent and effective at trapping dirt, dust, and moisture. Final thoughts. Is the RinseWise Spin Mop worth it? If you're looking for a versatile, cost-effective, and user-friendly mop that delivers professional-grade results in your home, the RinseWise Spin Mop and Bucket system is a perfect choice. With its hands-free wringing, extended handle, water separation design, and 6 replacement mop heads, this mop system makes cleaning easier, faster, and more efficient. It's also an excellent option for pet owners, as the water separation system ensures that no unpleasant odors are spread back onto your floors, keeping your home fresh and clean. Plus, the 6 mop heads included in the package give you great value, so you won't have to worry about replacing them frequently. If you want a cleaner home with less effort, The RinseWise Spin Mop system is a must-have cleaning tool.